What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your TikTok account even if you no longer have access to the email or phone number linked to it. This method uses TikTok's official feedback form and it works directly from your phone. First, open a browser on your mobile device and search on Google for TikTok feedback. Tap on the official TikTok feedback or support form from the search results. Once the feedback form opens, scroll down to the contact information section. You'll see two important fields here. In the email address field, enter an email address that you currently have access to. This is very important because TikTok will use this email to respond to you. Next, in the username field, enter the exact TikTok username of the account you're trying to recover. Now move to the How Can We Help section. Here, clearly explain your situation. Let TikTok know that you no longer have access to the email or phone number linked to your account and that you're requesting help recovering it. Be clear, honest, and include any helpful details like when the account was created or what device you usually used. Once you've filled everything out, tap the Submit button. After submitting the form, all you need to do is wait. TikTok usually responds within 3 to 5 business days using the email address you provided. Make sure to check your inbox and spam folder during this time. And that's it. That's how you can recover a TikTok account without access to your email or phone number using the feedback form. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.